Ever pondered on how to use dry ice in a cooler effectively? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Dry ice, the solid form of carbon dioxide, is a fantastic tool for keeping food and beverages frosty for extended periods. It sublimates or changes from a solid to a gas at a much colder temperature than water ice melts, which means it can keep things frozen for anywhere between 12 to 48 hours or even longer. Of course, this depends on the amount of dry ice used, the quality of the cooler, and the surrounding conditions. But before you start loading up your cooler, remember this. Dry ice is extraordinarily cold. We're talking minus 78.5 degrees Celsius or minus 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit. That's frostbite territory. So always wear gloves or use tongs when handling it. Now, when loading your cooler, it's a good idea to place a buffer between the dry ice and your food and drinks. This could be a layer of cardboard, towels, or even a disposable foam cooler. This prevents your items from making direct contact with the dry ice, which could cause them to freeze or get damaged. You might be wondering, can I mix dry ice and regular ice? The answer is yes. The dry ice keeps items colder for a longer time, while the regular ice helps maintain a more consistent temperature as the dry ice sublimates. Just ensure that there's proper ventilation within the cooler to allow the carbon dioxide gas to escape. Speaking of ventilation, it's crucial to allow the carbon dioxide gas that's produced when dry ice sublimates to escape from the cooler. If the cooler is tightly sealed, this gas can build up and potentially be harmful. So, either crack the cooler open a bit or use a cooler with a built-in pressure relief valve. Choosing the right cooler is also key. Opt for a high-quality cooler that provides good insulation. The better the insulation, the longer the dry ice will last. Some coolers are even designed specifically for use with dry ice and have built-in ventilation features. When packing your cooler, start with a layer of regular ice or ice packs at the bottom. Then add your buffer layer, followed by the dry ice, and finally, the items you want to keep cold or frozen. This arrangement helps distribute the cooling effect more evenly. And don't forget to monitor the temperature inside the cooler with a thermometer. This ensures that your items stay at a safe temperature and that the dry ice is doing its job. To recap, using dry ice in a cooler effectively involves understanding how dry ice works, taking safety precautions, choosing the right cooler, and packing it correctly. It's a powerful tool for keeping things cold, but like any tool, it should be used wisely. So next time you're headed outdoors, consider using dry ice in your cooler. It's a game changer. And remember, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.